One, two, three.
Good afternoon, welcome to our channel. Today is our cooking day, so I have a guest. It's Ate. Ate Mara. She's gonna cook macarons, so she's gonna show us how to cook macarons. Come on, Ate.
Oh. Hi guys. Okay. Begin? Okay. So you need 3/4 cup of almond flour and you want to sift it so it's smooth. And then 1 cup of powdered sugar.
Wow, 1 cup. It's a lot.
Ah!
It's okay.
Excuse me, I just
Okay.
Then you need 2 egg whites.
So you have to separate the yolk and the egg white. So it's another bowl.
And use your hands. And then when you have your egg whites, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
1/4.
And then mix.
Using the
Electric mixer. And then when it's, you can't see it, but when it's a little foamy, you're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, but slowly so the bubbles don't pop. Yep.
You just cook slowly. So, yeah. What
What
level
speed?
you're using? The speed?
The highest, so it goes faster.
Okay. Ano pinaka-relax yan?
There's no time.
So,
You
as
just have
long
to
as-
keep an eye on it.
Okay. So you're gonna stop.
Okay, so you know it's ready when you can flip it on top and it doesn't fall out.
Oh,
Like
okay.
this.
Oh wow.
And then you can add your color when it's like that. I'm gonna do pink. So not too much or else it'll be red.
So you just use the skewer. Okay, show the color. Wow.
Then take the dry ingredients from earlier and add half of it to your egg whites.
So you're gonna pour everything or
Just half.
Just half.
Then fold it. Don't mix it 20 times.
Show them how to fold. Yeah. Then you're gonna add.
Then when you finish mixing one half of this, add the rest. And then mix 40 times.
So the other one is 20 times. And 40 times just. Almost 40 times.
36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
40.
It looks like that.
Then you're gonna put it in
Your piping bag. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm using, I think, 1/2 inch piping tip. Okay, then to make it easier, put the piping bag in a cup. Mr. Assistant, I need help. Hold this.
Oh, I'm just assistant.
Yeah, hold this.
Assistant with my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Then get your pan.
I ran out of parchment paper and I forgot to buy some.
But it's still okay.
But that's okay.
Foil.
You can use foil and cooking spray. Okay, and then you pipe out maybe like an inch circle. Then when you pipe everything, make sure to smash it on the, or drop it on the counter so the bubbles come out and then your cookies won't be ugly.
Then what you're doing?
Fixing the tips. Because it'll be ugly. I don't want it to be ugly.
Okay, mag-nipple-nipple. Yeah. Another couple. Okay. See
One
you
more.
in 20 minutes. So you're gonna preheat your oven. Then you're gonna set it for 340 Fahrenheit. Go.
Oh.
So
Okay.
20 minutes is over.
Yeah. And then you know it's ready when you can put your finger on there and it doesn't move.
Oh.
Then you put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Nope, I'm kidding. 17 minutes.
17 lang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on.
So we're gonna wait for 17 minutes. 20 minutes is over. 17 minutes lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Then after that,
Ugly.
it's ugly, no.
I don't know why
Yeah.
they look like that.
You have to cool it down for another 20 minutes
Until they're cold.
until they're cold. No certain time.
No certain time. I melted chocolate and a little bit of whipped cream. So I have a ganache. And that's gonna go inside the macarons.
So you're not using butter just like the one that you
No.
bought it.
Because
Why?
we ran out and I forgot to buy some.
So it's just chocolate.
Chocolate and like milk. So it's not super hard.
So you're gonna put in the ziploc.
And cut out a little bit.
Show it. Show it.
No, I'm kidding.
Looks good. So that's it. It's ready for delivery. What's the other one? Oreo.
Oreos and chocolate. Ta-da!